Morning, dear students. Today we are going to start lesson 16, our surroundings. In this lesson, you will learn about the importance of clean environment and waste management. Our surroundings include the air, water, and land around us, in our homes, our neighborhood, and even our schools. It is very important to live in clean surroundings for leading a healthy life and to avoid sickness. Cleanliness plays a very important role in keeping us healthy. A healthy body needs a clean environment. So, hygiene and sanitation plays a very important role. Dirty surroundings help in the growth of germs that causes diseases like cholera, typhoid and dengue. Waste material refers to those things which have no use and are not needed anymore. It can be in solid or liquid form. There are two types of waste: biodegradable waste, the waste that decay and degrade easily. For example, fruits and vegetable peels, old clothes, fallen leaves, old newspapers, etc. And the second type is non biodegradable waste, the waste that do not decay and degrade easily. For example, polythene bags, plastic objects, aluminium, etc. Disposal of waste is also very important part of clean environment. Disposal of waste water. All waste water from houses should go through drains into underground pipes. There are underground pipelines that are connected to the main sewage line. These pipes lead to water treatment plants where the harmful substances are separated from water. Disposal of solid waste. Waste generated at our homes, offices, schools is collected by the garbage collector. They dump the garbage in garbage dumps. The other method of disposal of garbage is burning it. Incineration is a process of burning waste in big furnaces. Here, the waste turns into ash and harmful gases are released. But this is not the safe method. It is very important to find a solution to the problem of waste disposal. There are three R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. These are three important things that need to be followed to control the waste problem. First is reduce. It means to use less, that is, reduce the number of things we use each. Like bring your own reusable shopping bags, use a thermos at coffee shops, choose paper over plastic whenever possible. Buy in bulk to reduce packaging waste. Upcycle glass containers for food storage. Reuse. It means to use things again. We can make art and craft material from old paper, cartons, etc. Cloth napkins and handkerchiefs or hand towels should be used instead of paper tissues or paper napkins. Recycling. We can recycle some of the waste materials and make them useful things. Recycling is reusing of materials like paper, glass, aluminium, plastic, etc. There are many benefits of recycling like financial benefits, conservation of resources, energy savings, community building, jobs creation, strong economy, environmental protection. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.